Little Dino, a jungle adventure. A jungle adventure? Great! See you tomorrow. My mother prepared a lot of delicious food for me.
Wow!
Maybe she got into trouble. Come on, let's have a look.
All right, let's go.
Hey, look! The baby bird fell out of the nest. Ah, I know. Tommy, I'll stand on your shoulders and put him back into the nest. Stop! Hey, that's my bag! Back, monkey! Give that back to me! Huh? Where is he? Don't go into the swamp.
Get onto your bag.